We are going to Soler. Soler ba to? Oh. Napakagandang galaan, guys.
Yes! My friend!
Ayun lang palang Soler. Oh.
Are you lucky? No. Don't drink. No.
Solar.
No. Solar over here. Oh no, not the gadget. Yes.
Tanggalan ko to ng i-edit ko tong ano. Mga
Johnny,
banana.
Johnny!
Pwede ba i-edit yan? Tanggalin ko yung mga salita.
No, I healed. Oh!
Sigo siya
We
daw.
have to learn Johnny.
Ako na lang magsalita. Paingan
okay.
may ag!
No.
Asa ta paingan?
Dulu kada.
Ah,
Click play.
play daw, play. Okay lang, Gigo. You can, Gigo, you can talk.
Unik.
Kasi,
Oh!
kasi, ano ko lang eh. Nandyan ka na naman. Let's play! Ah,
There's no Wi-Fi here anymore.
dito lang pala. Bay Shore. Oh, ano yun?
Punta ng Glorieta eh.
Ano?
Oo. That's Okada.
Okada.
Okada. Bye.
Pigilan lumiko.
Dad.
Yeah, you ready to play?
Yeah.
Yes.
I just feel like to play. I feel like to play.
How about golf?
Okay, I'll play it. Cause I'm coming home. Sure, 7:30 is perfect because I'm coming home from Okada because I dropped Dennis home.
That was
No, Dad. Dad. Dad, hello? Hello? Oh yeah.
Can you hear me?
Can we play today, please? No, but tomorrow golf.
But the golf not there tomorrow. Maybe today I will rest.
No, please, Dad. I just wanna be. I wanna play, hit balls. I wanna play badminton. I'm just in,
But
what?
you go. I'm going home also. Let's see what time I arrive. I'm leaving. Remember, I'm coming from a distance. See? Okay.
Diretso na tayo badminton. Bahay muna. Kuha.
Ay, huwag kayo magugol dito.
late ka na kung pupunta ka pa ng Glorieta. So late na. Oh, 7 na oh.
Airport, ang airport daw yan, pero di man makita. Ayan! Ah!
Naiyak.
Copyright. Makapiright ako.
Bayad Carmen. 45.
How come? I thought we have automatic.
Wala pa nga itong arrive ID. Yung expedition coding hindi pwede gamitin. Gosh.
Bye.
It's July na. June.
Uy! Gig! Daan lang kami sa airport, oh. Oh! Daghan tao, oh. Grabe. Saan na ba yung punta nila? Dami mga sasakyan. Aeroplano. Ayan o. Saan kaya punta yan? Nagparking lang ang aeroplano. Kay gabiin na daw Cebu Pacific. Oh. Okay guys.
Wait, look, there's plane there.
Ha? Saan ang plane?
Taxi. It's like it just landed.
Ah, okay. Di na, malayo na. Medyo traffic dito.
Can I go to Beretta?
Late na.
Ikaw?
Huh?
Late na. Saan mo dali sa bilihan ng mga ano ng badminton? Carmen?
Ah, Hana?
Doon sa bilihan ng mga badminton.